I would describe myself as having a fascination with a particular medium, which is clay and ceramics. But I work in all aspects of that practice, really. I work as a film video installation artist. I make sculpture, ceramics, installation. So it's kind of the whole remit, really, across quite a broad spectrum. I'd say there's the fundamental is that I use clay or ceramic as a medium. The film pieces Fragments were specifically about the introduction of technology into ceramics. I mean, if you think of the history of ceramics, it's always been at the forefront of technology and continues to be. So it was a massive part of the Industrial Revolution in this country. It's it's in our computers, it's in our bodies, it's on the side of the space shuttle. So the idea that ceramics is completely divorced from technology is quite a misnomer, really. It's always been involved in great leaps in technology, right from the first pot or the potter's wheel. The builders are in at the moment. They're plastering everything for me, and it looks great. Actually, it's the best studio I've ever had, I think. I've always been engaged in what might be understood as the furthest reaches of ceramics or ceramics practice, or craft and art practice, really. My work straddles both of those divides, really, and I've exhibited in fine art galleries and craft-based exhibitions and shows. But I kind of want to use the creative Wales as a method of kind of developing my practice into performance, really, in a relation to ceramics, because I think there's a huge untapped resource there, a huge area for development that could involve performance-based works.